What's good, you guys? I'm just about to go for a run. Probably just do like 4 or 5K. Just trying to get back to vlogging a little bit on the low, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is? Stay healthy, get what we getting for life. I fucking want the haircut. Gave myself a trim. It's a little patchy. But it's alright. It's alright. Stay healthy, get what we getting. You know what it is, we out here. Peace, love. Peace, love, and immunity. Ain't trying to get locked up, free slime. Stay healthy, get what we getting more. What's good, guys? I just did about 6 or 7K. I'm gonna have to check on my phone. It could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less. So yeah, man, I feel great. I just did no non-stop, no breaks, breathing through the nose, and yeah, I'm feeling good, man. Nice sunny out here, breaking a real sweat. You can see I've got a bit tomato faced, but we're feeling good. Stay healthy, get well again. You know what it is, what it do. Is that baby in the bando?